We're here in CrocoParc, just outside Agadir in Morocco. So let's go on and see the alligators inside. If you'd like to follow me, let's go.
Hi.
So we've just come through the crocodiles now into the reception area. We need to go and pay now, so let's go. So we just come through the entrance. There's just one here in the water on the left, and the rest are all sunning themselves on the bank. So one just coming out the water there up onto the bank. There's a couple more down there sunning themselves. What a good life, enjoying the sun. All the wonderful alligators. So many. Oh, there's one here in the water, just down there. Oh, he's gone underneath. It's just coming out the water, look, onto the bank. Look at those teeth. Oh. Now gonna dry him or herself off on the bank. Look at them here. How about that? Absolutely loads, guys. So a couple swimming in the green water down there. Little bit of movement as we're working our way around, following the tour site. Give you a close-up. All enjoying the sunshine. There's so many scattered around the outside of the pool here. About the birth of the alligators hatching out of their eggs. Native enemies. Of course, they're growing in numbers. Behind the glass, I guess the glass is keeping him or her warm. About 6 foot long. I don't know if you can see. Slowly moving.
Look there.
Yeah, on the other side of the.
There's loads in there.
You can walk.
Shall we do that?
We'll go round, yeah. There's one in the bottom of the waterfall. Look, just a view looking back the way we came down the lake towards the entrance. Just come out the water. Gonna dry off in the sunshine. We're here in CrocoParc on the side there. So surprisingly, in amongst the crocodiles we have some monkeys, and they're little tiny little ones. Hopefully you can see them in there. They're tucked behind glass. So heading into the tunnel. They've escaped from the heat, and there's a mini amphitheatre inside a dome. It's all covered with plants. Beautiful dome. And the heat. Yeah. So in the middle of the park here, we've got this seating area in amongst the trees and the plants. Wonderful bougainvillea, purple and white, next to the monkey cages. The colour on those now. And then we come up to the beautiful lily pond. Got some tiny little fish in the water. Pink and yellow water lilies. In between the bamboo on the other side of the play park, and for those of you that eat bamboo shoots, the ones you normally get in a tin, here's one here just coming out the ground.
Nice.
These bamboos are 40 foot tall, yes. Let's have a wander through here. So, in the top left hand corner of the park, turtles and cactuses. Wow. Mini oasis here in the top corner that we didn't know was here. There's I do believe some site of iguana on the top there. Oh, it just moved for us. I don't know if you saw that. The creature on top of the rock is just moving. Turtle family in stone. Iguanas. Different type of cactus. Surrounded by that monster. Like being out in the desert. So at the end of the cactus garden we found these turtles. Eating the one in the house, that's just under the well there. It's a big iguana just on the top there.
Yeah.
Different type of cactus. It's now like we're in the desert of Arizona. Just coming into flower, look, that one. And iguanas heading up the bank. Hopefully you can see that. Crocodile skull. And the alligator one is more elongated. Ganador. So we're in a tunnel with the glass perspex searing. Show you the underneath of the alligator. Show you those paws and those scales.
Hello.
Hello. sunbathing on all sides of the lake.
Help! Help!
Come and see the crocodiles. So thanks for watching, guys, our tour of this beautiful Croc Park here, just on the outskirts of Agadir. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank everyone for their support to our channel and for our 1,000 subscribers. Glad you're all enjoying the content. Thanks for watching. Keep liking, keep commenting and keep subscribing. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye for now.